About 4:30 a.m. here on Tuesday, the 4th of October, 2016, violent Typhoon Chaba now tracking away from Okinawa, and good riddance on this storm. It's not over yet, though. Kyushu really keeping a close eye on it, and even the southern areas of the Korean peninsula. We're going to be wanting to watch this, but let's talk about the impacts we know thus far. It is 4:30 in the morning. It's still dark out. We did see some power outages on Kumejima that took the direct brunt storm system. Just after midnight, we actually had winds recorded, and incredible, and it's a testament to the infrastructure of this island that these winds were even recorded. Typically, when you get gusts this high, often the anemometers break off, but we had a 59.7 meters per second recorded just after midnight around 00:49 Japan Standard Time. That is 115 knots, or about 216 kilometer per hour wind gusts being actually reported. That's also on Kume Island here, and just some pretty rough weather. Now in Naha, we did see 33.1 meters per second, also recorded around 2 a.m. Do note that wind gust is 65 knots, and that's actually typhoon strength gust, not sustained. We didn't see any sustained winds on Okinawa Honto. Definitely, though, on Kume Island, where this rolled right over. Throughout the day today, though, conditions are going to improve, actually rapidly improve by mid-morning into the early afternoon hours. Still going to see some strong northwesterly winds likely. And a few of the cliff faces on the northwestern side of the island to definitely get some pretty rough waves. So even though the storm's passed, I still wouldn't head out to the beach at all today. There's going to be some dangerous surf out there, and this is still a pretty violent storm system, so just a lot of energy cascading out from it. As it tracks towards the north, though, maintaining that Category 1 to Category 2 typhoon intensity as it starts to approach the Korean Strait here, moving off towards the north. Now, you can see our model kind of differs then from what the JDWC says, and this is one thing that all has to do with recurvature with this storm, how much that trough towards the north will pull on this. Right now, there is some difference, but I think everybody from Fukuoka, Nagasaki, over towards Busan, keep a close eye on it, but more so for Japan, just for the mere fact that it's the right side of the storm, and it will start to pick up some speed. So I think Fukuoka, maybe even Hiroshima, and yes, for those of you in Iwakuni on Wednesday, you want to be wanting to watch out for this. This is actually the multiple agencies all keeping that storm right through the strait and then heading towards the northeast. All right, guys, this is just a quick update to recap what we know so far. I'll be at NHK World all morning with more updates online and on TV, so please do watch. All right, stay safe out there.